Students, we will learn about current electricity. Under the current electricity, we have to understand about 6 points. First, current electricity, electric current, definition of ampere or 1 ampere of current, conventional current, electronic current, flow of electric current in a conductor. First, current electricity. In previous chapter, we had studied about the electrostatics. What is electrostatics? Electrostatics is the study of electric charges at rest. And in the current electricity is also the study of electric charges but in motion. It's called current electricity. Okay. Now, electric current. When potential difference or potential is applied across the two terminals of the conductor, like this one conductor, potential is applied V across the two terminals of the conductor, then charge will be flowing through the conductor. Okay, so what is electric current? So electric current is the charge flowing in the conductor through any cross-sectional area per unit time is called electric current. Okay, let the small amount of charge del Q is flowing through the conductor at time del T, then the current flowing through the conductor will be del Q upon del T. Okay, take in limit del T tends to 0. So this is the current, electric current flowing through the conductor. Okay, if charge is flowing steady, then I will be Q upon T. Okay, this is the another equation of electric current. Okay, now what will be the unit of electric current? Electric current, the unit of electric current will be coulomb per second, and coulomb per second will be equal to ampere. So ampere is the SI unit of electric current, and the dimensional formula, is A. Dimensional formula of current is A, capital A, or we can write M0 L0 T0 A. This is the dimensional formula. Now we have to understand the definition of 1 ampere of current. Okay, so for this we use the formula I equal Q upon T. If Q equal 1 coulomb and T equal 1 second, then I will be equal 1 coulomb upon 1 second or 1 coulomb per second. Okay, the definition of current will be when 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through the conductor for 1 second is called 1 ampere of current. This 1 ampere of current. Okay, now conventional current and electronic current. So here, this is the conductor. Through the conductor, charge is flowing. Okay, and you know that electric field will be positive charge to negative charge. Here at this point, positive potential will be there, and at that point, negative potential will be there. That's why electric field will be between the two terminal. Then the electric field will be along the direction. Okay, now the electric charges will be flowing positive to negative or along the direction of electric field. So the current will be flowing through the conductor. This current is called conventional current. Okay, the current along the electric field due to the positive charge is called conventional current and electronic current. Electron will be flowing from negative terminal to the positive terminal through the conductor. Then current will be flowing due to the electrons is electronic current. Now flow of electric current in a conductor. Okay. So you know every matter is made of atoms. Every matter is made of atoms. In a conductor, atoms are very close to each other. Okay, means atoms are closely packed. Atoms are closely packed, and you can see here. This is the nucleus of the atom, and these are the orbits. So each atoms very closely packed with other atoms and other atoms like that. Okay, now electron revolving outer or on the outer orbital, these electrons are in the influence of other atoms in the conductor. That's why these electrons revolving in the outer orbits of this atom will experience a electrical force, and this electron will not be remained for a long, and this electron can be detached from this atom. Okay, and can move freely in the volume of the conductor. Okay, so this electron can freely move, and electrons you can say that in the conductor very amount or the large amount of atoms are there, and free electrons may be a huge amount in the conductors, and these free electrons responsible for electric current or the conduction in a matter or in a conductor. Okay, this is finished.